Automate data collection with zero coding.
Collecting or organizing information doesn't have to be complicated. With Google Forms and Google Sheets, anyone can set up automated workflows. No programming skills required. These tools work together seamlessly to gather, store, and manage data efficiently, saving you time and making information easy to access and analyze.
Create a Google form for easy data entry.
But start by designing a Google form tailored to your needs. You can choose question types like multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes. Customize the form to collect specific information, whether it's feedback, sign-ups, or survey responses. Share your form online, through email, or on social media to reach anyone you need.
Automatically collect responses in Google Sheets.
Every response to your form is automatically stored in a connected Google Sheet. This spreadsheet updates in real time, organizing all the data as it arrives. There's no need for manual data entry, reducing errors, and ensuring you always have the latest information ready for review.
Organize and visualize your data effortlessly.
Google Sheets offers easy tools to sort, filter, and analyze your collected data. Use built-in charts and graphs to visualize trends quickly. Apply filters to focus on specific details. And use conditional formatting to highlight key responses. Everything updates automatically as new entries come in.
Take your workflow further with add-ons.
Enhance automation using free add-ons from the Google Workspace Marketplace. For example, set up email notifications when new data arrives or auto-generate reports and summaries. These enhancements work without any coding, helping you tailor your data workflow to your specific needs with just a few clicks.
Start automating your data collection today.
With Google Forms and Sheets, anyone can build an automated system for gathering and organizing information. There's no need for programming knowledge. Just a few simple setup steps, and your workflow is ready to go. Start collecting, managing, and analyzing your data with ease.